Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to use green screen in CapCut. We will use Chroma Key feature. So the first you can open your CapCut app, then click new project, and after that I will choose a photo or a picture. I will choose this one, then I click add. After that I will click overlay. Then click add overlay. Then I will choose green screen video. I will choose this one. Then click add. You have to set the duration of your picture. After that, you can click on the green screen, then swipe right, click Chroma Key. Move the color picker to the green. After that, click intensity and set it until the green screen is disappear. Click save on the check mark. So this is how to use green screen in CapCut using Chroma Key feature. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.